So you've asked the question as who is a midwife. This question comes up fairly frequently in all our antenatal checkups, and the word midwife literally means with woman. The midwife, the professionally trained midwife, is able to provide services to the woman through her entire gynecological reproductive life cycle. She has been professionally trained through years of education and through clinical experience, and is able to take care of all her gynecological needs from adolescence through menopause with special training and skills in the childbearing year. And some of the things that she is able to take care of is to be able to all the way from preconception, when the couple want to have a baby, talking to them about what are the important things in that period, through the whole period of the childbearing year in terms of taking care of the antenatal checkups, diet counseling, and all the other things that go hand in hand in having and helping the woman have a safe and healthy pregnancy, as well as during labor and birth, providing her 24/7 monitoring and labor support, and being there encouraging her quietly, and allowing her to believe in her body, that she is able to do this process of birth by herself. That is one of the most important aspects of midwifery care during the labor and birth process, as I see it. They are also trained to take care of the woman and her newborn baby in the postpartum period. The midwife typically provides much more personalized care to the woman and her family, in the sense that they are available 24/7. They are able to answer all the questions, and especially in the immediate newborn period, women have so many questions in terms of, whether do I have enough milk, is my baby thriving and doing well. So the midwife spends time in educating the new family as well, and provides care for her in the postpartum period, including lactation support and counseling. So to me, the other big important part is I see midwives as specialists in normal birth. Even in the antenatal period, it is the deeply personal and intimate care that a midwife provides to the woman, that goes a long way in helping her to kind of take care of herself and her baby well. Very often we see in the medical model of care that pregnancy is seen more as a risky process, one that needs to be intervened. As a midwife, I believe very deeply that the woman, through years of generations and generations, her body has been perfected to do the process of labor and childbirth, and so that innate deep belief allows for us to provide care that is not only educational to the woman and her family, but also which is empowering to the woman in the end, in order to take care of herself and her baby. The other part of this is, time and again we see research is showing us that normal low risk birth is safer in the hands of midwives the world over. Women use midwives as the primary source of as a primary care provider in the process of pregnancy, labor, and childbirth. And the midwifery model of care allows for the deep transformation of the woman into a mother in that very, very sensitive phase that we see her in. A midwife believes that the woman is the primary caregiver to her unborn baby. To this extent, she provides lots of knowledge and empowers the woman to become confident about the whole process. A midwife also has perfected the art of listening, really listening to the mother. In fact, one of the major differences that you will see in the two models of care, the medical model and the midwifery model, is that in the medical model, often the woman will get maybe 5 or 10 minutes tops to for her antenatal checkups, whereas typically the midwife schedules a much longer time. In fact, we would usually schedule an hour for the first appointment, and subsequently a half hour for the next appointment, because the physical part of checking the mother and the baby does not take very long. It is the rest of the part. It is about answering all the questions. If there are any fears, what does the mother see in in the that has been going on in the last few weeks, from the last checkup to this current checkup, or what will she expect in the next few weeks. These are the questions that most women and their partners want answered, and usually that becomes very empowering for them as well. And this also makes sure that the woman then starts to view the midwife not only as a friend, but also a trusted advisor and as a knowledgeable caregiver, and it makes the relationship much one which is much more of a give and take rather than a one way, do this test or get this particular medicine or take this particular medicine, but really answering those questions. Why do we need you to take iron supplements, for example, or what is the need for a particular scan. In fact, one of the other components of midwifery care, as I see it, is also being able to provide the mother and her partner with excellent source of information, excellent information about the different tests and any of the other things that may be required during pregnancy, because that providing that information ensures that the woman and her partner are able to make really good informed choices. So, as a midwife, I also see the making of a baby as the making of a mother, a making of a father, and the making of a family. To this extent, encouraging and empowering the partner, the mother's partner, to provide, be a good source of support for her all throughout the pregnancy, as well as during the birth process itself, enables them to come together as a family as this process unfolds on itself. And also in the end, midwifery care is about forging those wonderful relationships between mother, father, and baby. It is about giving back the power of birth to the woman where it always belonged. It is about making maternity care more respectful and safe. It's about giving the best start to the baby, because babies remember the process of birth. So giving that gentle start to both the mother and the baby means that they will probably carry those feelings and emotions and that imprints of birth for a lifetime. And it is about providing that evidence-based care to the mother and her family, so that then they can have a healthy and safe pregnancy and childbirth.